Students, let us see a question on dimensional analysis. See, often you see the term dimensional formula and dimensional analysis. So, what is the difference means? If I say momentum is equal to mv. So, this is the definition. If I ask you the dimensional formula of momentum, you will take the dimensional formula of m and v, multiply by that, and you get directly the dimensional formula. Sometimes we have to find the interrelationship between the physical parameters. Like in this question, it is given that force due to viscosity, it depends upon the velocity and radius and coefficient of viscosity. It depends on these three parameters, and it is asked that what is the relationship, what is the formula. I am again telling, using dimension analysis we cannot find the constant of proportionality. We can only find the interrelationship between the parameters. We can only find interrelationship between the parameters. So let us say Fv is equal to v power a, r power b, and neta power c. This neta is coefficient of viscosity is defined as Fr by Av. This is the r is the distance between the layers, and this is shear force. Mind you, this force and this force are different. This is the shear force between the layers that we will study later on, but right now we need the dimension formula of neta. Neta is equal to, what is the dimension formula for F? M L T power minus 2. Radius is length, so L divided by area, L square, velocity, L T power minus 1. So the dimension formula becomes M L square, this is gone, L power minus 1, T power, this is minus 2 divided by minus 1, minus 2 plus 1, this becomes minus 1. Okay, so we will write Fv is equal to, now what we need to do is, we need to write the dimensional formula of V, R and neta. So V is Lt power minus 1 to the power of A, R is L power B, and neta is, now we have found out, ml power minus 1, T power minus 1, C. On the left hand side, we know the dimensional formula of force, which is mlt power minus 2 is equal to, we will write in such a way that we will write all the powers of L, T and M. So L, here A, L to the power of A, there is B and there is minus C. A plus B minus C. Then M power, here there is plus C, and T power, here there is minus A, and here it is minus C. Once this step is done, see the left hand side and the right hand side, you have to correspondingly compare the powers of L, M, T to solve the unknowns. So if you see here there is L power 1. If I take the power of L, this 1 is equal to A plus B plus minus C. If I take M, it is 1 is equal to C. If I take T, it is minus 2 is equal to minus A minus C. So you can cancel out this minus. It becomes 2 is equal to A plus C. But C is equal to 1. So put here, it becomes 2 is equal to A plus 1, or A is equal to 1. So we have found out A, we have found out C. Now we have to find out B. So 1 is equal to A plus B minus C. In the place of C you need to write 1. So here 1 cancel. B is equal to 1. So we have got that B is equal to 1, A is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. So what will be the relationship now? The force will be equal to V power 1, R power 1 and neta power 1, or force is equal to V R neta. Okay. There will be a constant of proportionality here which cannot be determined by dimensional formula. The actual formula is Fr is equal to 6 pi VR neta. This is the formula. But we have established the relationship.